What's up? It's Tony again. I currently have about $100,000 invested in the stock market, and my goal is to retire in 10 years. And honestly, I'm not even sure if that's enough. Most people hear $100,000 and think that you're set, but when you actually run the numbers, things get real very fast. The amount of dividend income that this $100,000 is producing me annually or monthly is definitely not enough for me to retire anytime soon. This is why I'm giving myself 10 years to retire. I believe that in 10 years, I will have enough money invested in my stock portfolio. It should be enough to produce enough dividend income to retire comfortably, especially with the lifestyle that I'm looking to live. I think it's important for you or anyone looking to retire to determine how they would like to live on during their retirement so they can save their money accordingly. Retirement isn't always about how much you have today, it's about how much income your money can produce for you. So, in this video, I'll break down what $100,000 really means, how I'm investing it, and whether this goal is realistic. So, for the past few years or months, I've been purchasing mostly stocks and ETFs. I have been buying some of the most popular stocks like Nvidia and Tesla and some of the popular ETFs. I've also purchased a lot of losing stocks and ETFs along the way. Actually, watching a lot of the wrong YouTube videos encouraged me to buy some of the trendy stocks and investments that did nothing but lose me a lot of money. Now that I am a more experienced investor, I rarely make mistakes like this now. As far as the $100,000 goes, not all of the companies that I'm currently invested in with that money create me dividend income. It's sort of split, but not evenly. Most of them, well, not most of them, but a lot of the companies are just growth companies with little to no dividend income being received. The other portion of the investments are dividend paying stocks and ETFs. My ultimate goal is to retire at least $1,000 per month or $12,000 per year in dividend income. With that amount of monthly or yearly income, I would feel comfortable retiring. It's hard to say that just the $100,000 is enough to retire. I'll likely need to retire off 4% to 5% of whatever number would allow me to retire and create $12,000 annually. I did the math and it's $300,000. I don't know how likely it is for me to receive $1,000 monthly, but I am on a journey to make that happen. I hope you guys like my financial content. And if you're interested in more videos from someone that tries to keep it simple and uses regular financial terms, just subscribe and like the video. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments and I'll respond. Check out the description. You'll find some links that you might be interested in.